Alright, let's prepare this Massey Ferguson 165 skidder tractor for logging season. We have to mount the winch, we gotta fix and mount the snow chains on this wheel, we gotta check all the fluid levels, we have to put some grease in all the grease fittings, and of course we have to check all the fluid levels. There's probably a few more things that I'm forgetting, but we'll figure that out as we progress through. Now we're gonna start by mounting the winch, and as you can see it has sort of a special coupling here. We call it a scissor coupling because what you do is you put the bottom of the winch in here and then you sort of clamp it down with this. You can move this up and down. And so the winch is basically getting sandwiched into a very strong connection. So these things here, they go all the way up to the front of the tractor, and the bottom ones here are bolted directly to the axle. Yeah, we need some tools. My trusty backhoe adjustable wrench. I got to lift up the drawbars in order to get that out. Now we can get this out. So here's the winch and the skid plate. We'll put the winch on first and then the skid plate afterwards. And here you can see the little tabs that go into the scissor mount. So the bottom tab there goes into here and the top one goes into here. And we'll be using the excavator in order to lift those onto the tractor. There's not too much oil on it. Alright, let's see if it'll start, or if there's any battery on it at all. Alright, we got a light, that's good. Oh, yeah, gotta push this down. Like nothing. It just always starts up, it's pretty amazing. If you heard that sort of crackling noise, that's because the hydraulic pump is drawing air, and that's not good, so we're gonna have to put some oil on it. Alright, change your plans a little bit. I'm just gonna use the blue tractor instead of filling $100 worth of oil on the excavator, just to do this job. Där. Ja. Ja. Feber.
Har du feber?
Ja. Nej. How did I connect to this? Alright, let's mount this thing. That's perfect on this side. And on this side as well. Now we can bring these arms here down and lock it in place. Alright, it needs to go a lot further in towards the tractor. I think that should be alright. There we go. Clamp this down. That's good right there. unhook this. Alright, now we'll put the sprocket on the chain here. It's just a sprocket that goes on the PTO. And I always like to add a little bit of grease. Now, I don't push it all the way in because then the chain will be riding against this. Right about there is nice. And then we can bring the tensioner in. It goes this way. Now this thing probably needs looking at some point, but it's been fine. So this spring is kind of mangled and it's a bit like, well, I guess we could fix that actually. All right, put some grease on here. All right, that's pretty good. The only issue I've had with this is that the tensioner will sort of fall over like that. So, but now we're going to start it up and let it run, and then we'll lubricate the chain with some gear oil. All right, that's nice. Now we're going to put the skid plate on. So the drawbars on the tractor is supposed to go into those brackets, and this is the top drawbar, which is this one. This drawbar right here is bent out to the side, so in order to connect it, everything is kind of crooked. I'm not really sure what to do about that. I guess we can try to just bend it back. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure if that was the best idea, but at least now I can come in here with the New Holland tractor, and then hopefully we can bend the drawbar back a little bit so we can connect it to the other one. Preferably I'd like to use the excavator, but I don't really want to put $100 worth of oil in it just to do this, as I said. So yeah, let's just try to brute force it with the New Holland. May have overdone it a little bit. I don't think we broke anything. I'll try to push it back a little bit. Alright, push it a little bit more and then maybe. Alright, that's where I'm gonna have to cut it for now. Been down with a fever and a nasty cough, so this is all I've managed to edit. Hopefully I'll get part 2 out sometime next week, depending on how I'm feeling. If you don't want to miss it, make sure you're subscribed and hit that little bell icon, because even I don't know exactly when it's coming out. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.